Hello everyone. So, how are you today? Today I am bringing you a very important chapter which you see in all your classes as well as if you are going to give your competitive exams. That is percentage. Now, what is this percentage? Percent. What do you mean by this particular word? Per means for each, like you have a toffee for each one of you. And the word cent means 100, so it means per 100. What if I say it is nothing but a fraction? Percentage, a fraction? Yeah, but not any other fraction. It always have a denominator of 100. So in compact form, you do write it as percent sign. Like if I'm writing 15%, this means it is 15 upon 100, which is a fraction. So it's basically a fraction with 100 at the bottom. As most of the students say, why are we studying it? What is the use of percentage? Percentage can be used in all your daily life. Whether you want to calculate a discount or how much sales tax are you paying it, or even calculating the percentage of your exam score, because that will tell you what's your rank, right? So let's try out some of the questions from your own book. Ready for that? Okay, so let's try out some of the questions of the percentage. Now as you can see here is one question where you need to convert the fractions into percentage. Now I will tell you one thing. Sometimes it gets confusing whether you have to multiply 100 or you have to divide by 100. Whenever you see a percentage sign in a question, percentage always refer to the fact that divide the number by 100, as percentage itself is 1 upon 100. Now here in this question you can't see any percentage sign. So basically you have to multiply the given fraction by 100. If ever you get a fraction and you need to convert it into a percentage, always multiply it by 100. So let's take the first one. Here as you can see, we have 47 upon 100. So in order to convert this into a percentage, we will multiply it by 100. So this get cancelled out and you're left with your answer, that is 47%. Now if you forget this percentage sign, your marks will be deducted. So don't ever forget the percentage sign whenever you are converting a fraction into a percentage. Let's take the second one. Here we have 9 upon 20. Again we are going to multiply it by 100. So here you get cancelled out 2 and 5, and 9 into 5 is 45%. There you go, you got the answer, right? Let's move on to our next question. Here they are saying that you have to convert it into a fraction. Now in this question, if you see carefully, you will notice there is a percentage sign. And as I have told you, whenever you see a percentage sign, it means you have to divide it by 100. It is written as 32%. Now what do you mean by 32% here? Now percentage means 1 upon 100. So we can write this as 32 upon 100. Since you have to convert it into a fraction, so you need to simplify it. If you have to convert it into a decimal, you can straight away write it down as 0.32. Okay, so let's simplify it. You will get here 16, and at the bottom you will get here as 50. On simplifying further, you will get here 8, and at the bottom you will get as 25. So your answer will be 8 upon 25. Okay, let's try out the second one here. Now second one is a mixed fraction. So you have to first convert it into an improper fraction. So 6 into 4 plus 1. So that will be 25 upon 4. Percentage sign means not into 100. It will be 1 upon 100. Now further simplifying it, you will get it will be divided by 5 and 20 and further. So your answer will be 1 upon 60. So see how you have solved these two questions. Let's move on to the next one. Let's try out this question. Here you have to convert the decimal into a percentage. Now can you see any percentage sign here? No. So if you are not able to see a percentage sign, that means you will multiply it by 100. So let's take the first one. Here it is 0.6. Now how do you write down 0? Now 0.6 will be written as 6 upon 10. I hope you know that. Multiplied by 100. So 0 and 0 got cancelled out and you're left with your answer, that is 60%. Right? Let's try the next one now. In the second part, it is 0.42. Now after decimal, there are 2 digits. So at the denominator, you will have 100. Again, multiplying it by 100 of the percentage conversion. So this will get cancelled out and you will be left with only 42%. Now remember, in the question there was no percentage, but in the answer there has to be a percentage sign. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. This question is seen in almost every questionnaire. So let's try out this question. The question is, find the number whose 13% is 65. Now, those who are in class 7th or 8th, you have to follow the steps because step marking is always there, right? So whenever you get a question about the number, right? Whenever you see this, the number, so the number is always in mathematics is x. So you will write down, let the number be x. So whenever you see the number is always x. Now, whose 13%? Whose 13% means 13% of the number. And what is the number? It is x. So we will write down 13% of x. Now what is the meaning of is here? Is means equal to. What is it equal to? It is equal to 65. So this is the equation. Okay. Find the number whose 13% is 65. So 13% of the number means 13% of x is means equal to 65. So I hope you can solve this now. 13% means, percent means upon 100. Of means into, x is equal to 65. Now you just have to do cross multiplication. X is equal to 65 into 100 upon 13. So see how easily you got the cross multiplication. And if you know the table of 13, you will know that it is 5 times, right? So x is equal to 5 into 100, that is 500. Here you go, your number. Let's try out one more question. These questions are often seen in your exams. If 12.5% of x is 6, find the value of x. Now this question is exactly similar to the previous one. Here 12.5%. What do you mean by 12.5%? 12.5 percentage sign means upon 100. Of means into x. And is means equal to 6. How easily you frame the equation? Now on solving it, or you can simply do the cross multiplication here. X is equal to 6 into 100 upon 12.5. And you know, if you want to remove a decimal sign, you have to put 10 at the numerator. Now, this will get cancelled out with 5. 5 2 times and 5 25. Now, again dividing it by 5. 5 times and 20 times. Again, 1 time and 4 times. Simple, multiply the numbers at the numerator. 6 into 4 into 2. Then you will get as 48. Okay. Now here is one more pattern of question. The question is, what percent of 84 is 14? Again, what percent? We don't know that percent. So let the percent be x. right? Whenever we don't know anything, we always suppose as x. Now, since what percent of, so here x percent of 84 is 14. So instead of what percent, I have replaced it as x percent. Now again, percent sign means upon 100, of means into, 84 and is means equal to 14. Simple. Now cross multiply the numbers. 14 into 100 upon 84. Now you simply have to solve it and you will get the answer. So let's solve it with 2 7 times, 42 times. This will go by 7, 6 times, and 100 upon 6 will further get solved with 2, 3 times, and 50. 50 upon 3. Is that your answer? Will you get the full marks? Half a marks will be deducted, because always convert your answer into the simplest form. Here, your answer is an improper fraction. So you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So always leave your answer either in decimal or in mixed fraction if you don't want to lose your marks. So this will become x is equal to, converting it into a mixed fraction. I hope you know that. Otherwise, I'll make a video if you don't. So comment below if you know how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction or not. So this will become 16 2 by 3. And don't forget the percentage sign. Now you'll get the full marks. I hope you liked the first part of the percentage. In the second part, I'll be taking some of the word problems. Now, the students, especially who are in class 7 or 8, if you have any question in your mind and you're struggling with it, do write down that question in the comment box. I can put that question in my next video so that you can easily solve that question. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.